I will be talking about how to talk to the universe so the universe will deliver you the goods. So let's get started. The universe doesn't understand words. Well, probably yes, but it doesn't respond to words. I'll just tell you why it doesn't respond to words. Because it responds to energy, the first language, the universal language. And it picks up the energy that's behind your words and gives you back more of that. If you say rock, it'll say rock. Well, depending on the emotions behind it. But the universe works like a mirror. So don't be mad at the universe. When you get something back that you don't like, it's an opportunity to check yourself, the grand and glorious creator that you are. Check yourself. In the mirror of the universe, you cannot hide anything from yourself or from the universe. The universe sees all. With the universe, there are no secrets, but at the same time, there's no judgment of you. This is a wonderful opportunity to entertain your relationship with the universe. And the universe could be considered so many things. It could be the extension of God that you are, the extension of source energy. However you view higher power, higher self, creator, universe, infinite intelligence, that is what I'm talking about. There's no judgment there, just more of an opportunity for you to see yourself and to make adjustments. For example, if you think and say peanut butter and jelly and you really want it, the universe will deliver the biggest one that it can find based on how much you believe you can have it. I just had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That's probably why I'm thinking about that. Okay. If you believe a little bit, you'll get a small sandwich. And if you don't think you'll ever get one, like you say things like, where's mine? Or I didn't get one. Or they always get them and I don't get them. You probably won't get one because a lot of your language is about not having it. The universe is submitting to how you speak. Okay, not having it. But if you say, I can taste it already. I'm so excited to get a sandwich. You'll get yours fast because there's no doubt there. So the universe acts like a mirror, expanding on what you are already thinking, feeling, saying, and believing. But it doesn't respond to your words when your words contradict your energy, when your words contradict your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. The universe only responds to your words when your words are in alignment with your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. And emotions shape our beliefs. Let me give you an example of this. I'm going to say the same affirmation using two different emotions. For an example, here's person A saying, I am wealthy. I am wealthy, but inside they feel desperate and worried about money. That's person A. Now, person B with the same amount of money says, I am wealthy, but inside they truly feel abundant. They are grateful and they are confident about financial opportunities. So what's going to happen with person A and person B? Person A is not going to be aware of job opportunities, raises. People aren't going to want to work with them because they have a belief. So the universe picks up on the underlying energy within, not the wordy energy that's pushed out. Person A sends out the energy of lack, I am worthy, and fear, so they continue to experience financial struggles being inside the lack box. That person has placed them in a box where they don't have a lot of movement. That person A is not going to be aware of job opportunities, raises, is not going to be invited to work with somebody, is probably not going to make as many friends, to be encouraged to look here or look there, will not have people looking out for them to find work because they have a belief in this box, I am worthy, but they don't believe it. While person B, who sends out the energy of abundance and trust, which attracts more prosperity into their life because they put themselves in the prosperity box. And so they're allowing themselves to expand like prosperity expands. And they will be aware of job opportunities. They will put themselves out there. They will make friends and talk to people and find out where new opportunities are. And people will remember them and they will be asked, hey, I remember you said you do this. You know, there's an opening over here. Why don't you come here? That's what will happen to person B, even though they have the same amount of money as person A, but that won't be for long because person B has a belief in their prosperity. So here's how to speak so the universe will hear you the way you want it to. Instead of just saying words, feel the emotions of already having what you desire. If you want love, don't just say, I am loved, Really feel love, and then treat yourself kindly, because that's what love does. Love will treat you kindly, so you've got to treat yourself kindly. Appreciate love around you when you see it. When you see a happy couple, appreciate that on social media, on TV, in your family, if your friends are in a happy relationship, appreciate that it exists. If it exists for them, it exists for you too. And trust that love is already present in your life. Remember, we only see 0.003% of the visible spectrum as human beings. Our consciousness processes 40 bits of data per second, while our subconscious is processing 11 million bits of data in the same second. So we don't actually experience everything, although things are already in our environment. We will not see them and experience them until we see them and experience them. So please trust that it's there already, because if you can only see 0.003% of the light spectrum, it can be right in front of your face. As you open up more and you believe that you can have love, it's done. It's a done deal. You have love. Remember, we live in a like attracts like universe. The universe is very organized. You can only receive love if you're in the love aisle of the grocery store. Just like all of the food is organized in the grocery store, the universe is organized. You can't be complaining, I can't find, nobody wants me, I'm unattractive, and be in the love aisle, because when the universe delivers an appropriate partner mate for you in the love aisle and you're not in the love aisle, you won't get it. So it's there in the love aisle. My question to you is, where are you? Get in the love aisle so the universe can deliver you the goods. Shift yourself from wishing for something. Feel like it's already yours, and the universe will mirror that energy back to you in a physical form or experience. It's already yours. It already exists. You have to be it so it will come. Be that what you desire, and it will just show up. Have you ever watched a movie and then watched it again and then you notice something new about it? You shifted. The movie didn't shift. You shifted. Oh, I didn't notice that before, because it was already there. You weren't aware of it. The universe works the same way. Shift and you will see it. Shift and you will experience it. The universe is your mirror. If you don't like what you see, change how you feel and believe, because that is what the universe is responding to. If the universe is responding to how you feel, how you think and feel and believe and speak, and if you don't like what the universe is delivering to you, meaning you don't like your life, that's a signal to change how you think, how you feel, and what you believe. It's wonderful feedback from a loving universe that has absolutely no judgment of you. To manifest what you want, focus on shifting your energy, your thoughts, feelings, emotions, and beliefs, not just your words, and you'll win every time. You will win at life, and you will enjoy life. You are winning at life. You are a winner. So thank you very much for watching. If you're needing help with winning, shifting your thoughts, feelings, emotions, and beliefs, that's what I do for a living. I'm an energy healer. I help people align their thoughts, feelings, emotions, and beliefs with their desires very quickly using advanced theta healing techniques. The link is in the description. I want to thank you for watching. May you enjoy your newfound relationship with the universe, allowing it to work on your behalf. It is following you. It is mirroring you. It is delivering to you what you are doing with your energy, your thoughts, your feelings, emotions, and your beliefs. I wish you blessings upon blessings, and I'll see you next time. This is Carol at True Self Unmasked. Bye.